Hi viewers, Samanath Small Steps Trader channel. So related to the IPO update. So related to the IPO, this is the first video we are going to make. So today we will see what is the ongoing IPO status and immediate post IPO shares status we will see in this video. So before that disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. Always you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. Okay, now we will go to the main video. So if we go to the NSE website, in the top line you can see the IPO. If you click this IPO, you get this page. On here you can see the what are the current ongoing IPO list you can see here. So if you see the issue start date and issue end date. So if you see these companies are yesterday the issue is started, and this is today it is started, and this is on 8th it is started. So one thing you have to note here, these are these are the shares, and this is date in the sense a company instead of raising the capital, they use a loan way, mean they take the loan from the public. So that is called as a debt IPO. So this is as a normal, they issuing the shares and raising the capital. So we are becoming a part of that company's capital stakeholders, we can say that. So here you will see all are SME. So there are two kind of IPOs are there. One is SME, another one is regular IPO, we can say that. So this SME is it's like a provision for small and medium enterprises, we call it SME. So these small and medium companies, they wanted to raise a capital, so that's why the exchange provide a platform for them, so they can issue the shares, the small company issue their shares and raise the capital. So this is the SME. The regular one is normal companies like Reliance, TCS. So these kind of companies, they issues the share and raise the capital. So that is those companies are comes in the regular board, main board, we can say that. So the noted point here is these are the small companies, the present ongoing all are a very small company shares, it's ongoing. So the same thing I am saying in the brokers platform. If you see the bits here, IPO. So here it's showing the same, the 5 companies shares IPO we can able to see here. So here see the issue date. So it is started, all the companies, the end date will be on 20th. So if a person wanted to apply for this on or before 20th, they have to update, they have to apply for this. And this is the price range. So what is the price we can quote in the while applying the shares, we can quote this. So within this range we have to quote. But one important thing you have to notice, the minimum amount. So as I already said, all these are small companies, so the quantity would be very huge, the bulk quantity, like how in the futures we buy in the bulk, right? We can say the lot. So similarly we have to buy in a lot. So this quantity, which is 3000, 1600, so these numbers only we are able to quote. So these are the required amount. As this is the SME IPO, then requirement of capital requirement is very huge. If it is a normal IPO, normal companies IPO for the main board, that would be around even 10,000 to 20,000, it varies. The point here is for a main board IPO, the capital requirement will be very less, but for the SME it will be normally it will be very high. So general retail investors, it is quite the requirement is very huge and quite riskier also. So the liquidity would be quite less. So be careful while you are applying for the SME IPO. So check your financial capability, the requirement, everything you cross check it, then you go for this SME. Okay, so for example, now we will see, we'll go this Kala Haridan Trends Limited. So if we click here, you can see the entire IPO process. So it is started yesterday, the end date would be on 20th. So if once it is the allotment happens on 21st. So if suppose a person applied for this, so if he get allotted, get allotment, the allotment will be confirmed on 21st. Suppose for example a person in the normal share, I am saying that he applying for 100 shares. If it's only 50 shares he got allotted, so it will be allotted on 21st. The remaining amount, the amount which is locked, that will be released, that initiation will be taken on 22nd. So the shares which are allotted on 21st, it will be transferred to the person's trade demat account on 22nd. The share is listed will be on 23rd. So 23rd on you can exit if you want. Suppose a person unable to apply in this during these days, after listing on 23rd, a person may buy this. So if you want to exit, you can exit. If you want to enter, you can buy the shares in after it is listing. This mandate it is as I said, if 100 shares is you applied but only 50 shares is allotted, the remaining amount it will be compulsorily will be released on this mandate date. Some banks will be released on this date, some banks will be released on this date. So this is the entire process. Now this KTL, the process is at this stage. Similarly, if you see TCL, the process, everything is the same, and Econet, Esconet, this is just started today. So these are ongoing, the blue is ongoing, the bottom ones are closed IPOs, the previous IPOs we can able to see. So this is the broker platform, it will be quite vary, so just check with your broker's platform. Okay, so in this week, what are the IPO is listed, what is their status, that we will see now. So if you see here, this is the current IPO, it is not yet listed. After the issue date, it will be listed. We saw that 21st, most of the shares will be allotted on 21st, and the listing we will saw the 20th. So what are the previously listed shares? For this week we will see that. Yeah, if you see 20th February, we see the Monday on. So Monday on, what are the shares it is listed, we will see now. So if you see, there are SME shares also listed on Monday, normal main board IPO shares also listed. We see that 2 shares or IPOs, the listing is not yet confirmed. Not confirmed in this, it is not listed yet, that we will see. So one is VSTL, another is Vice Travel. So when it will be listed? One is Vibor Steel Limited. So if you see the Vibor Steel Limited, so if you see the process, the 16th allotment will be today, it will be listing on 28th. So that's why it's showing here, the date is over, but still the listing date it is not showed here. Similarly, Vice Travel India, that is SME, Vice Travel India. So this is the status here. So listing would be on 19th. So that is the reason it is not showing here. So these shares are already listed. So now we will see the Entrio Healthcare Solutions. So this is listed today. So the issue price is 1258. So the price band was 1195 to 1258, but the listing price also 1258. So now what it is, how much it is listed on traded, now we will see now. Entero, the first share, you see that. So now it is 67 rupees, it is in minus. From the listing price, it is gone negative. Okay. So now next we will see the same today, another listed is SME share, that is Polysil. If you see the Polysil, it is 54, just a 15 paise up. The listing prices for this is 54. We are saying 54.50. Now it is getting traded. Polysil. Okay, so the next we will see the 15th. Yesterday they listed one. This is Uplex Solar Limited, that is SME share. So that listing price is 115. Uplex Solar. So now it is 362. It is double. So yes, it was yesterday it was listed. So yesterday it was double. Now today another 17 rupees share price is raised. You see the previous close 347. So sometime this kind of jackpot also comes in IPO. Sometime the like this also happens. On the listing day it will go negative. Okay, the next one we will see which is listed on 14th. The normal equity share, 3 shares are there. Now we will see Capital Small Finance Bank, Capital SFB. So now it is traded 445. How much it is listed? 468. So that also gone negative. Then Rashi Peripheral Limited, 311 it was listed. RP Tech 311. RP Tech it is now 346. So this also in positive from the list. The next one is JSFP 414 it was listed. Now it is 427. So this also bit positive compared to listing date and issue date. And similarly on 12th there are two shares. One is a normal main board share, another one is a SME share. So one is Park Hotel. The listing price is 155. Or now it is 197. So this also giving a good return, positively traded from the listing price. Italy. So 68 is the issue price. 54, that also gone negative. So this is how the IPO would be. Sometime after listing the price will go higher and sometime it will go in the negative side also. So one have to by reading the prospectus analyze the company thoroughly, then you apply. So that would be good. Okay, so that's what this video I wanted to share. Okay, so with this we will close this video. So evening you will see the post market, the regular video you can see in the evening. So see you in the main video, and then bye bye. Thank you.